Hey guys, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I have another buttercream recipe for you. I've already shared, I think, 5 recipes with you, and that's not a terrible thing. I mean, the more the merrier, right? You get to really pick and choose which buttercream you like the best and which works the best for your particular cake project. And I actually do have a blog post called How to Choose the Best Buttercream for Your Cake Project. So you're going to want to really check that out, and it explains the differences in all of these different recipe options that we have. So today I have for you my Italian buttercream recipe, which I think is just really amazing. This recipe came out really great. I was so pleased with the strength of it, the durability of it. I have to say, I want to think that this is probably my favorite when it comes to strength and durability and piping, and just if you need to leave your cake out at an event for a couple of hours, it's really going to keep its integrity and be just really great. So check out how to make it. I think you're going to like this.
Alright, so let's check out this recipe. For the ingredients, you will need granulated sugar, water, aquafaba or flax whites that I showed you in my last buttercream video, that works too, vegan butter and shortening, and vanilla extract, and a bit of cream of tartar. You will also need an instant read thermometer because for Italian buttercream, you do have to cook the sugar syrup to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm starting with 1½ cups of aquafaba, which is just the liquid from a can of chickpeas, but we do have to reduce it down to 1 cup simply by simmering it over a medium heat until it's reduced to 1 cup in volume. Be sure to cool it to cold before whipping. Now I am going to start whipping the aquafaba while cooking my water and sugar solution because they do take just about the same amount of time. In a normal Italian meringue buttercream that uses egg whites, it is slightly more difficult to get the timing right because the egg whites whip a lot faster than the sugar solution will come to temperature. So basically what I'm saying here is you need your sugar syrup to be ready at the same time your meringue is ready. So go ahead and add the cream of tartar to the aquafaba and get the sugar water cooking over a high heat to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it gets there, your meringue should be 2 stiff, glossy peaks, and then you can start adding in the hot sugar syrup very slowly while whipping on high speed. Continue whipping it until it has cooled to at least 90 degrees Fahrenheit before adding in the semi-soft butter and shortening. To help cool the meringue, you can place an ice water bath under the mixing bowl. This will prevent the butter from melting once you start adding it in if your meringue is slightly too warm, and this will avoid that soupy mess that many people experience when they are making Swiss or Italian-style meringue buttercreams. Start adding in the butter and the shortening little chunks at a time while whipping on high speed. And then you're going to add the vanilla extract last. I do have a blog post with a video tutorial that shows you how to come out of a failed buttercream just in case that does happen to you. So definitely click the links below to check out everything that I have to offer you at gretchensveganbakery.com. Once everything's been incorporated, I do like to switch to the paddle attachment to get it as smooth as possible and get out any giant air bubbles too. This will also whiten your buttercream if you let it go on low speed for just about 5 minutes. And that's really it. So if you have been nervous about making an Italian-style buttercream, don't worry anymore. This recipe is a sure winner, and I know you're going to love it. If you just follow along the way I showed you here, you should have no problems. It is so smooth, not too sweet. It's just really perfect for classy cakes and especially wedding cakes. Don't forget though to check out my blog post so that you can see all the different buttercream recipes to choose from, and I know you will find at least one, if not all, that you will love. All the links are below the video, so click on through to get all the recipes. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a like and also subscribe here to my channel if you're not already. I do just want to give a quick thank you to all of my Patreon supporters and PayPal pals for the amazing support that you guys show me every month. It is because of you guys that I can continue to put out free videos for everyone to have access to the best recipes on the internet. And it allows me to help you become a better baker because I spend all my time every day answering questions and just really helping everybody with recipes. So if you think you can help support me and Gretchen's Bakery for as little as $1 a month, just click the links below to find out how. All right, thanks again to everyone for watching. Until next time, happy baking. Bye for now.